Okay, so today I'm showing you how to connect Claude to Canva. So you can literally just tell Claude what design you want and it builds it for you inside Canva. Let's do it. First, click your name in the bottom left corner and then click Settings. Inside Settings, you're going to see a tab called Connectors. Click that. This is basically where Claude connects to all your other apps. Click Add at the top right, then click on Browse Connectors, and then just type Canva in the search bar. There it is. Click the plus button to connect it. Now it's going to pop up asking you to log into your Canva account. Go ahead, log in, and then it'll ask for permission to access your designs. Click Allow. That's it, you're connected. One last thing, connecting it doesn't turn it on automatically. Every new chat, you gotta click this little icon near the message box and switch the Canva toggle on. Now Claude actually has access for this conversation. Now watch, I just type what I want, hit send, and Claude's actually building this design live inside Canva. No switching tabs, no manual template hunting. Look at that, done. And that's it. Claude's now connected to Canva. Anytime you need a design, just ask for it right in the chat. Try it out and let me know what you make.